Hi everybody, Six String Supplies. Today we're doing a very simple Strat wiring mod that allows you to connect your bridge pickup to the tone control. One of the minor downfalls of classical Strat wiring is that the bridge pickup isn't connected to a tone control. So a lot of players, myself included, tend to find it a little bit shrill. And obviously by wiring it up to a tone control enables you to dial it down a little bit. Now it's incredibly easy to do. We're simply adding one wire. So this is assuming that your Strat currently has the classical Strat wiring. So the wiring diagram that appears on your screen now is your typical classical Strat wiring. And all we are doing to connect your bridge pickup to the tone control here is connecting one wire. As you can see on the diagram, it's in red, and I'll be using red cloth wire just to highlight it. So we're connecting this lug here, which is what already goes to that tone control, but we're connecting it to the lug directly opposite, which is where the next to it, excuse me, which is where the bridge pickup is connected from the other side. Okay, so nice and simple. Like I say, I'm just using some cloth wire. You can use anything. You can use a jumper, or just a tiny bit of copper, whatever you need. Whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just going to reheat this solder joint. That's in there nicely. And we're just going to connect it to this lug here. Just like that. Really is as simple as that. So I'm going to screw that back down, plug it in, just test everything's working. Okay, so I've plugged the guitar into the amp, put the pick guard back down, and I'm going to be conducting what is known as the screwdriver test, just to check that everything's working as it should. Whilst it's known as the screwdriver test, I recommend you don't use a screwdriver. You need something, it needs to be magnetic and metallic, excuse me. But as you can see here, this is a soldering tool that I use to hold down particular bits of wire while soldering. But this, the key to this is that it's blunt. What you don't want is something sharp that's going to start damaging the pole pieces. So we'll just tap the... So the idea is that you just check that everything's working as it should. So that one, both pickups should be on, and no neck pickup. So that one's working well. Now, obviously, we're testing that our bridge pickup is now connected to the second tone control at the bottom here. So I've put the switch all the way back, so it should just be the bridge pickup, which it is. And then we're just going to dial back the tone control. There you go. So you can see the tone control, you can hear, excuse me, the tone control is working on the bridge pickup. So it really is as simple as that. So that's how you connect your bridge pickup to the tone control in your Strat. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to get in touch.